How to stop being added to group chats on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you can stop being added to group chats on Messenger. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step. To stop being added to your group chats on Messenger, let's locate our app. Open up your Messenger app and make sure you're logged in into your account and also that your Messenger is up to date to its latest version. Now what you can do is you can leave the groups that you're currently in. So let's say that I want to leave a group. Just select the group, tap on the group's name on the top. Then you can scroll down and there you'll find the leave chat option. Tap on leave chat and select leave. After you've done that, you can then leave from other groups as well. And to change your settings, you'll need to go to your Facebook account. So let's head over to our Facebook. So locate your Facebook app and then open it up. After you're on your Facebook, what you'll then need to do is find the privacy or settings section. To find that, tap on your menu icon on the top right. Then tap on your settings gear icon. And you should be on your settings and privacy. After you're on your settings and privacy, scroll down. There you'll find an option under audience and visibility about how people can find and contact you. Let's tap on that. And after here, you might see that who can basically find you or contact you. So scroll down till you find how you get message requests. So from here, what you can do is select deliver requests from people in your Facebook groups. So select message requests. And after that, you should see an option that says who can message you. Tap on that. And after you do that, there you can control who can message you. Now, after you do that, it will show you what you'll need to do. And you will need to do this on your Messenger. After you're on your Messenger go back to menu on the bottom right. Go to your settings. And after you're on your settings, you should find an option that says privacy and safety. Tap on that. Here you should find message delivery. Tap on this. And after you've done that, you can select who can basically message you or add you to different groups. Make sure that you've selected chats and Facebook groups, or I mean Facebook friends only. There is no direct option to enable or disable who can add you completely into a Messenger group, but you can minimize all of that. So here you can simply select the chat option. You can do that the same on others as well. Just select all the privacy settings that you think it will work for you. And after that, you are good to go. Now, as I mentioned, there is no option. Your friends can add you in your different groups, but people besides your friends will not be able to add you in groups after you've enabled those settings. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.